Hey, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I'd like to welcome you to this short little hot tip CNC router video. Have you ever worked on a CNC router project where you're cutting away at it, everything's looking awesome, and then you start to notice that the router bit is digging deeper and deeper into the project and it's ruining it, and you don't know why that happened? This video is going to show you exactly what's going on and how to stop it, and it's really easy. So this is a really hot tip for you. So as you know, I'm a long mill CNC router owner. I endorse that machine nowadays, but I'm going to show you on the Bob's Evolution 4 CNC router, which I have apart right now. My first machine, the quintessential machine that got the IDC Woodcraft started, where I can teach you all about CNC routers. Okay, so let's talk about this tip. That, my friend, is a router, as you know. And take a look. There's a bunch of sawdust there. That is natural when you're running your machine, that you are going to get that kind of buildup. A lot of CNCers, when they create their projects and they're running their machine, and they end up having their bit slowly move down or up in the collet, and they don't understand why. This is the reason why. You see, when you get sawdust in there, it acts like a lubricant in the collet, and that will allow the sawdust, the bit to slide in and out over time with the forces that are put on the bit. So every time you change your bit, take this guy off, get that sawdust out of there, take the collet out, and get that sawdust out of there. And if you can, get up in here with a little rag and wipe all that out. I can't stress this enough, that this is the core of a lot of problems when you get the bit starts to slide in and out of your project and you don't understand why. I'll give you a special extra tip. Don't use this when you're tightening your bit down with a wrench. This pin is simply to hold the shaft while you're just installing the bit and getting it positioned. I've seen too many people break this part on their Makita router because they hold that in and use the wrench to tighten the nut down. That's why you have two wrenches. You have two of them for a reason. Use two wrenches. Don't use this to tighten your wrench down. So those are your two hot tips. Make sure that you clean that nut, collet, and the router shaft every time you change a bit. That'll avoid problems in your project, especially when you are running a project and you're like halfway through it and then you start having that problem. It sucks. And don't use that pin on your CNC router as a tightening device. You have two wrenches, use them instead. One more thing, if you are interested in CNC business, you want to get into it, you don't really know how, my business friend Bill Keys, he's a CNC business veteran, been in business doing CNC work for 20 years, and I are putting on a webinar on August 25th, 2021 to teach you how to get your business going and all the stuff you need to know. So if you want to get in that webinar, then the link is down below and sign up. Get you started into this journey of creating that life that you want to live. You know, doing something that you love. This is, after all, why we're in the CNC thing, right? To do something we want to do, that makes us feel good, that we create. So sign up for that webinar. I am Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I am so glad you're here. You're an amazing CNC creator, and I love seeing the projects you send to me. All right, that's about it. With the church bell starting to ring now that I just showed you. You have an amazing day.